Hey guys, how to use AI to optimize marketing campaigns. Step 1. Connect your marketing platforms. Meta ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, email platform, CRM analytics. Step 2. Analyze past campaigns with AI. Extract patterns, identify best audiences, list wasted budget. Step 3. Create AI optimized ad copy. 5 variations, 3 hooks, 2 angles per audience. Step 4. Generate AI design creatives. Auto resize, auto adapt to the platform, test multiple formats. Step 5. Set automated A and B testing, headlines, creatives, audiences, budget split. Step 6. Use AI predictive budget. Increase spend on winning ads, cut losers instantly. Step 7. Generate weekly AI report, performance summary, actions to take, cost per result breakdown. Steps 8. Automate retargeting, warm traffic, engagers, website reviewers, abandoned checkout. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.